Hello everyone, this is the source factory of Guangzhou Chuji Self-Service Terminal. Today, let us take a look at this self-service printing equipment, mainly used for hospital report printing, according to the actual needs of the hospital. Provide corresponding interfaces. You can achieve the corresponding printing function. The content printed by the equipment includes inspection, invoice, etc. Now let me show. Check report printing function. The query methods include scan application form, barcode or ID card. Querying. Select the report you want to print and click Print. Printing report, please wait. Please take the report after printing is completed. You can leave a message or send a message. Follow me to learn more about self-service equipment applications.